Alright, very quick video how to disable secure boot on this and be able to boot from a USB. I've got Windows 10 on this. Okay, here we go. Turn the unit off. So when you turn the unit on, F2 key, keep tapping. Get into BIOS, go into security, supervise the password, set a password, anything you like. Success. Boot, secure boot, disabled. F10, save changes and exit. Yes, done. Now if you want to boot from a USB, you can go F2 again. Set your password. I'm coming. Boot and change the boot order. You see the USB? You want to, for example, your one will be HDD internal first. I want to make my USB first. Simple as that. And if you go to all the USB, you can boot from legacy or UEFI. I'm going to choose UEFI. F10, save changes. You will see it boot from a USB. I'm coming. Wait, please. And now it should be booting from the USB. Hey, now wait, please. Use the drill. Okay, I'm coming. This is the lockdown. Work with kids. Here we go. That's booting off the USB. We shall get the Windows 10 set up. Great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.